Okay guys, welcome back again with the forex strategy for your mobile. This is the only Euro USD strategy that you'll need. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. So what you can see here is that I have a faint, I'm not sure if you could see this, but there's a green bar that's used to indicate the beginning and the end of the London session. So what I do is, before every session, London session that is, I have to draw a line, supply and demand, support and resistance. They're basically the same thing. So here we have the support, up here we have the resistance. So before the London open, when you get a breakout candle closes above your resistance, you enter buy. Simple as that. Simplest strategy ever. No complication, no Fibonacci, no nothing. No trend lines, just simple support and resistance. Okay, so we're starting the backtest from 1st August. This is the first trade. Stop loss 18 pips, take profit 30 pips. So in this strategy you want to have your take profit 1 first at 10 pips, take profit 2 20, then take profit 3 30. Easy. So let's go on more examples so you can get a hang of it. Okay, so we have the 2nd of August. Immediately before London, you have to draw your support and resistance. So here we have resistance, here we have support. Price closed below the support. I entered a sell. Simple. 14 pip stop loss, 30 pip take profit. And as we said before, you want to have your first take profit at 10 pips, second at 20, third at 30. You can leave your runners to maybe 60 or 100 pips, but I prefer to take mine at 30 so as to not let any profits on the table. Alright, so 3rd August, same thing, before and after. Have your support, have your resistance, breakout candle, enter trade, stop loss 15 pips. It hit at take profit 2, but at least you closed partial at 10, closed another partial at 20. So take profit 1 and take profit 2 was marked. Easy. Let's go on to the next trade. I hope you're getting a hang of it. This is one of the simplest strategies ever. This is what I started with before getting into other strategies. It helped me pass my first forex funding challenges. It basically gave me my first capital. Back to the strategy. Okay, so we have the support, resistance. Make sure it's before London opens. Exactly London opens, check the candles. If it closes above, take a buy. Closes below, take a sell. Easy. It can't get any easier. Make sure you have it on your Euro USD 30 minutes chart. Okay, so here we have a trade that only hit take profit 1. Stop loss was 11, take profit 1, 11. You want to have a favorable risk to reward ratio of at least 1 to 1. Okay, that was our 4th trade. Okay, so let's move on to our 5th trade. This was a loss. As you can see, we had a resistance, support. We had a resistance, support. Price closed below, we entered a sell. But as we know in forex, nothing is 100%. You'll never get the holy grail. So with risk management, that's how you make money. Okay, so basically we entered a sell after the close below, stopped out at 9 pips. So with this strategy, I know many of you are wondering where you place your stop loss. The stop loss, you have to place it above the previous candle. That's why you find we have a favorable stop loss. Okay, let's move on to our next trade. Okay, so now we had a buy. As usual, we have our resistance, we have our support, close above, buy. Stop loss 19 pips, take profit 20. 1 to 1. Easy. If you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comment section. You could also join our Telegram. I send these signals out for free, at least a signal each day on Euro USD. Okay, so back to the next trade. We have our resistance, we have our support. Closes above, enter buy. Stop loss below the previous candle for 14 pips, 13.7, basically 14 pips. Take profit 30 pips. As I told you, take profit 1 will be at 10 pips, take profit 2, 20, take profit 3, 30. Easy stuff. And finally, our 10th trade. This is August. Okay, so we have our resistance, our support. This resistance, you could either place it here or here. Both would work. Closes above, this is the breakout candle, buy. Stop loss below previous candle for 12 pips, take profit 30 pips. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. We went through 10 trades in August using the simplest strategy ever on Euro USD 30-minute chart. The strategy's win rate is, as of now, 90%. I'll have a spreadsheet linked to the all August trades in the description, where the win rate is around 80%. Okay, so without further ado, let me end the video here. Don't forget to subscribe and join our free Telegram channel.